Statistical questions is another thing that we talked about before spring break. Okay, just for a little review here. A question is a statistical question if it can be answered by collecting data. Okay, so it has to be a question where you would collect data, and that data would vary, meaning there's differences in that data. Everyone's not just going to say the same thing. Okay, so the answer could be put into percent, an average, a range. We could do all those different things with the data we find. Here are some examples of statistical questions. What do 7th graders prefer to eat for lunch? That is statistical, because would you collect data? Yes. And would there be differences in the data? Yes. What time did the students in this class get up this morning? Yes, because again, you're going to collect data from your classmates. Did everybody get up at the same time? No. There's going to be different answers. So that is statistical. What is the typical number of pets owned by students in my class? Would you have to collect data to answer that? Yes. And would the data have differences? Would there be different answers? Yes. So that is statistical. Now here are some ones that would not be statistical. What did Tom eat for lunch? No, because that's just asking about Tom. Now if you asked it about the whole class, then it could be. Did you get up on time this morning? Again, if you're only asking one person, no, that is not statistical because you would not have to collect data that would, there wouldn't be a lot of different answers. How many brothers does Martha have? Again, you're only asking one person, so that is not statistical.